Welcome back to the channel. Today we are explore how to create YouTube festival art banner in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and create a new canvas. Then fill the background with a gradient vibrant colors like purple, blue and pink. Add abstract shapes, lights, gradients to create festive vibe. Import silhouettes or photos of a crowd cheering. Place stage lights, neon flares or glow brushes for energy, and then add a festival title in bold, eye-catching typography. Now apply a layer style and insert smaller text for the event name, date and hashtag. Now add icons like music, notes, DJ, guitar, mic as decorative elements. Place a subtle texture overlay for depth. Keep the safe zone